those headed to Japan this fall hoping to experience fewer travelers, maybe in for a rude awakening, because we continue to see a record-breaking number of people arriving, even in those normally slower months of August and September. Now, we have seen a dip in arrivals from the peak in July. However, that dip not nearly as big as it has been in the past, where we could expect 2, 3, even 400,000 fewer arrivals. This year, from August to September, only 60,000 fewer people came. Now, we know Japan is the place to be right now, but if we core a bit deeper into what is going on here, we see two factors that play. One, the long-awaited return of Chinese travelers finally underway. September arrivals from China double that from 2023. But we're also seeing more people from many other parts of the world going to Japan in higher numbers than in the past. We can see from a new report from MasterCard Economics Institute showing that Americans are up 153% for the first half of this year compared to that in 2019. Also, numbers up from Canada, Australia, Singapore. Also, those Kiwis going to Japan. But similar things happening within Southeast Asia. Not as high, but numbers surpassing pre-pandemic levels from the Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Malaysia. The same goes for the major economies in Europe, from Germany and Italy to Spain and the UK. Now, finally, though, if we concentrate just on the neighbors of Japan, these are the largest source market. This would be Taiwan, Hong Kong, and South Korea. We don't see as high numbers here, but anything over 100% is going to translate into bigger numbers on the ground. Now, a mix of travelers from around the world, important to Japan's economy because of the way that these travelers spend money. According to MasterCard's report, those coming from North America and Europe spending more on accommodations and hotels because they stay longer. Those coming from Asia maybe go for a week or less, but they tend to concentrate on the shopping opportunities, as you mentioned, Sri.